Are you ready to transform your Squarespace website into a review-generating machine? Today, we'll show you how to strategically ask for Google reviews on Squarespace to boost your social proof and skyrocket your online reputation in just 3 easy steps. First, create a direct Google review link. Head to your business's Google Maps listing, click the share button, then copy the link. This link will take customers directly to the review form, making it incredibly easy for them to leave feedback. Next, embed a review widget on your Squarespace site. Find a reputable third-party widget provider. Many offer free options. Copy the Embed code and in Squarespace, add a code block to any page, like your home page or testimonials page, and paste the code. Customize it to match your brand. Finally, strategically time your review requests. The best time to ask for a review is right after a customer has had a positive experience, like after they've made a purchase or received excellent service. Automate this process using your email marketing platform and always personalize your requests. By implementing these simple steps, creating a direct link, embedding a widget, and timing your requests, you will see a significant increase in Google reviews, driving more traffic and ultimately more customers to your Squarespace-powered business. Don't forget to subscribe for more Squarespace SEO tips.